NeuronWriter, transforming SEO content creation with AI. Introduction to NeuronWriter. In the competitive landscape of digital marketing, NeuronWriter stands out as a premier tool for SEO content creation. By leveraging advanced AI-driven technology, NeuronWriter offers a robust platform that not only enhances content quality but also optimizes it for search engines. This comprehensive review delves into the key features and benefits of NeuronWriter, showcasing why it is the preferred choice for professionals aiming to boost their online visibility. Harnessing AI for superior content. NeuronWriter integrates cutting-edge AI and natural language processing (NLP) to streamline content creation. These technologies provide users with intelligent recommendations, ensuring that the content produced is both relevant and engaging. With over 10 templates available, NeuronWriter caters to various content types, making it a versatile tool for any content creator. User-friendly interface and integration. A notable feature of NeuronWriter is its seamless integration with WordPress. This integration allows for easy content management and direct publishing from NeuronWriter to WordPress, simplifying the workflow and saving valuable time. The user-friendly interface ensures that even those new to SEO can navigate and utilize the tool effectively. Comprehensive SEO tools. NeuronWriter is equipped with a range of features designed to optimize content for SEO. These include advanced editing tools, simplifies the structuring and editing process, allowing for efficient outline creation and content refinement. SERP Insights provides in-depth analysis to enhance SEO strategies and improve online rankings. NLP Guidance offers advice on natural language processing to ensure content relevance and optimization. Internal Linking Recommendations suggests strategic internal links to improve site structure and navigation. Plagiarism Detection ensures the uniqueness and originality of content, protecting against copyright issues. Project management and content planning. Starting with NeuronWriter is straightforward. The tool includes a content calendar and project setup features that help users plan and manage their work efficiently. Here's a quick guide to setting up projects in NeuronWriter. Log into NeuronWriter and access the Project section. Click on Create New Project and fill in the project details. Select the language and add target keywords. Review competition scores to gauge keyword difficulty. Assign a writer and set delivery dates. Schedule posts using the content calendar. Maximizing content potential with AI writing and paraphrasing. NeuronWriter excels with its AI writing and paraphrasing capabilities. The tool offers over 10 AI templates, simplifying the process of creating new articles or enhancing existing ones. The AI-driven content editor and outline builder aid in quickly generating outlines and drafting content, which can then be customized to reflect the user's unique voice or brand. Detailed SERP analysis for enhanced performance. NeuronWriter's SERP analysis delves deep into search results, identifying what makes top-performing content successful. By studying competitors and offering insights into keywords, topics, and headlines, NeuronWriter helps users craft content that is more likely to rank highly on Google. Ensuring originality with plagiarism detection. The plagiarism checker in NeuronWriter is an essential feature for maintaining content integrity. It scans the text against billions of web pages, ensuring that the content is original and free from duplication. This not only protects the user's reputation but also aligns with search engine requirements, preventing potential penalties for duplicate content. Cost-effective solutions. NeuronWriter offers a range of subscription plans tailored to different needs and budgets. These include Bronze Plan, $23 per month, includes 2 projects and 25 content analyses with 15,000 AI credits. Silver Plan, $45 per month, includes 5 projects and 50 content analyses with 30,000 AI credits. Gold Plan, $69 per month, includes 10 projects and 75 content analyses with 45,000 AI credits. Platinum Plan, $93 per month, includes 25 projects and 100 content analyses with 60,000 AI credits. Diamond Plan, $117 per month, includes 50 projects and 150 content analyses with 75,000 AI credits. Pros and cons of NeuronWriter. Advantages. In-depth analysis provides detailed insights into content performance. AI writing assistance facilitates content creation with AI-driven tools. Internal linking enhances site structure and navigation. Content Ideas offers a dedicated section for new topic suggestions. Learning from competitors analyzes top websites to provide actionable insights. Plagiarism check ensures content originality. Drawbacks. Learning curve. New users may find the interface overwhelming at first. Live chat support. While effective, it can sometimes involve a wait. Customer support and community. NeuronWriter provides responsive support through email and live chat. Additionally, it boasts an active Facebook group where users can share tips and receive assistance. The instructional videos available also help users get the most out of the tool. Personal experience with NeuronWriter. Having transitioned from Surfer SEO to NeuronWriter, the switch was driven by the cost-effective AppSumo lifetime deal and the superior depth of content analysis provided by NeuronWriter. The tool has significantly improved our Google rankings, making it a better fit for our SEO needs. Conclusion: elevating your SEO game. NeuronWriter combines AI-driven features with comprehensive SEO tools to deliver an unparalleled content creation experience. For those serious about boosting their online presence, NeuronWriter offers a robust, user-friendly solution that ensures content is not only engaging but also optimized for search engines. As digital landscapes evolve, NeuronWriter stands out as a future-proof tool for SEO content creation. For more detailed information, please see the description below the video.